knew when I tuned into the essence. These are the moments we bask in the blessings, the presence. To make a toast for my lessons and marvel at the times when we ain't choose aggression. Float on the beat like butterfly. What could I say that Ali ain't said? 10 toes down, on the ground painted red, and the streets filled with lead. I thank God for my bed. Look, tell them these notes here give us hope. And if you ask the people in the pews, it's the antidote. I wipe my...
It's not for you, baby. You to be mumu guy. I send you text and you no reply. Oh my God, this stuff no be by force you, make me divert you.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a little PINKMAS decor for my apartment. It's not really going to plan because I ordered like a pack of 105 pink Christmas decorations for my tree, and guess what? It got stolen. Yes, I ordered it whilst I was in Manchester to my post route, and when I got back, someone had taken it. So I literally just ran around today to get replacement because I really wanted to do this video today. I went to Home Bargains, got a few things. Then I went to Tesco and got a pack of bubbles, but they're not pink. So the theme is going to be pink, white and silver. Hopefully it can look very pink, but I have hope in it. So my girls are here and we're just going to decorate. And then we're going to cook, drink some wine, bake some cupcakes and just have like a little start to the Christmas feel, you know, to the Christmas season. Let's get started. Hey, 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 hey. All of these have the string on them already, so all we actually need to do is put the tree together and then put the decoration on the tree. So that's like one step done. So Naira is currently cooking. So guys, real quick here, this is the tree. This is the tree. It's 6 foot and it's a white tree. Now Naira over here, he told me that this tree is gonna be long enough.
When you open it up, it's going to flourish like a flower.
Deep it, yeah. I'm 5'5".
You're what?
I'm 5'5", and this tree is like, if you look at it, it's guys, it's only
so it's taller.
It's the same height as me, right? Agree with me. It's only this bit that's taller.
Yeah, open it up then, so it's taller.
No, because if I open it up, the thing is gonna fall off.
Oh,
so I have to fold it. Guys, we're about to decorate now. I'm gonna put the white and silver at the bottom, and then I don't have that much pink anymore, so I'm gonna put that on top so it looks more pink. You get it? Okay. to it. Now we're in my room. We're about to stick these on the window. I'll do that side. Okay. Yeah. Something like that. It's all of it. Yeah. So guys, she drops out the window. Well done. Shaz, come back.
I'm sorry, it's hard.
It's okay. Actually about longer than 2 weeks, since the last clip, and honestly what is going on right now is I am actually redecorating the whole tree, and I moved the tree to over here in front of my TV. Today I just want to get a few more bits and bobs to make the tree a little bit more pink, so I got some more tinsel because it was literally only wrapped around the top. Then I got some white tinsel, but it's got like subtle pinkness, you can't really see it, but I got this because I saw this girl on TikTok and she like got tinsel the same color of her tree to like make it look more full, and I feel like my tree is a bit sparse. Then I got these pink baubles, they're velvet. I just thought they were really cute and they're 99p each, so I said why not. Then I got this little house. I think you don't know what I'm about to say. It signifies the fact that this is my first home by myself, even though it's not gonna be, you know, for a long time, but it's a little symbol for that. Last but not least, I got this pink bee bauble. In the shop they didn't have any M or C. As you know, my name is double-barreled MARTHA-CHERYL. They didn't even have A for my surname, so I got a B because my home name that all my family members call me starts with a B, and I've recently started getting things with a B on it rather than just an M. Right now Zanira is say hi. She's here again. We literally just stripped off all the decorations. I forgot to record that, sorry, because I'm recording a TikTok.
I'm not looking a little bit more full.
Yeah, you did that really well. I didn't spread it out properly, and I didn't realize I didn't spread it out properly until now. We're gonna redecorate it. What was really bugging me, yeah, just the tree decoration, yeah, was that you could see the light, and the light is black, and it just like wasn't really sitting well with me. I was seeing people decorate their tree and they were putting the light on first and then everything else, so it kind of covered it. So that's what I'm about to do. So now we're just spreading it out. Yeah.
Show them the cover.
So guys, we wrapped the tree, yeah. The problem is, yeah, we wrapped it around the, what's the base called? We just wrapped it around the base, but now I think the lights may not show what we put on the decorations. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. We're about to put on the decorations now.
I mean, who needs light?
No, we definitely need the lights.
Oh,
that's what makes it look cuter.
Trying to find a little justification out of it.
So what we're gonna do first is put the white tinsel on to fill it in a bit. decorating my tree. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's not too bad.
Oh, as long as the tree looks cute.
It's still lighting up.